Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. So if you've seen my latest unboxings of the MM711 of the Cooler Master and the Logitech G304, I had put some mice in the carts of different websites and by mistake purchased one more mice in my collection. So I have got one more mice to show you. I just want to show you the mice. It is this one. It's a Razer Viper Mini. I had put this in the cart, I remember, of a website, and by mistake I completed the purchase. So yeah, so I have this mice. It doesn't look like a brand new mice. It looks like maybe it's a brand new mice, or maybe it's a mice they had kept it on display or something. It doesn't look completely brand new. There is no wear to it, but I don't feel it is brand new. It looks like it has been used by someone. Keys are nice. I did shortlist this mouse with these two mice, but I was not going to purchase this mice. So when I got this mice, because I was not expecting this mice, I got it actually in this box. Look at the state of this box. This seal was already broken. They had stuck it with sellotapes. I still not opened the sellotapes. I actually opened the box from behind. There was actually a cardboard original packing of this inside this, but the state of the box from outside, I was not too sure that if I have purchased this mice, then at least I should have a good quality mice. So I hurriedly opened the box off camera. I did not do any unboxing because I was not aware of this mice coming to me. So after you see the state of affairs of that box, now let's look at the mice. As I said, it looks like it has been used by someone, and now after I checked on website for the or my bank statement for how much I paid for this mice, it was quite less, and that is the reason I think this is not of a good quality. Hopefully has not been used by anyone, or at least it is still working. I have not yet connected this to my PC. I'm directly showing it on camera first, so I have to still do that, connect it to the PC. And look at the mice. It feels, yeah, comfortable on hand. I was not going to purchase this because I had already purchased this one and this one. This is my first Razer mouse, now you can say. And now that I have this mouse, should I say I'm excited of the optical switches of this mouse? The cord is better than the Logitech mice. It is not as good as the Cooler Master MM710 or the MM711. Let's hear the sound. This is the right click, left click, mouse wheel, rotating mouse wheel, DPI button, and the side keys. Okay, at least they sound solid. So let's see. I'll use this mouse and get back to you after I've used all the three mice, and I'll get the reviews of all three mice. You cannot see anything special over here. You can see it has some marks over here, so it looks like someone has used the mice. Also you can see some marks over here, so maybe on the camera it's not picking up with the eyes you can see, but or this is an old stock which was they wanted to sell off at a very low price. I don't know. Let's check it out on the PC. So I'll come back to you with the reviews of this Logitech, this Cooler Master and this Razer very soon. I'll make a single video or 3 different videos, I'm not sure, but stick around for the reviews of all 3. And my prediction is this will be the best as always. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and as always guys, enjoy and have a nice day.